So in this video, we will basically talking about HTML editors. So these are the few HTML editors which you can use to write the HTML code. So basically, I am prefer the Visual Studio Code to write the HTML code. Actually, it is very simple to write and easy to understand the templates and the commands which you are using during the HTML programming. So next we will go to the screen to download the software. Let's open the browser and search Visual Studio Code. Now click on the first link. Download Visual Studio Code link, Mac, Linux, Windows. Just click on this link and it will open this side. If you are using Mac, then you can download Mac version, and I am using the Windows 10, so I am downloading the Windows 10 exe format file. It will automatically download and start download. In the download section you can check out here downloading is starting. During the downloading time, you can subscribe my channel if you're getting some important stuff in my channel. So after downloading, just click on the exe file. When you click on that, it will open a window. This is called the installation wizard for Microsoft Visual Studio Code. Just click on the next for installing the software. Just check on the box for creating a shortcut on the desktop. It will help to launch your software easily. So it takes some time to to install in your system. Please like and subscribe my channel. I am giving my full efforts to persuade you things. It will take some time to install. Install is successful. You can click on the finish and it will automatically launch your software. This is the starting screen of your software. Just click on the Explorer in the left hand side. First of all, we would like to install a live server. For this, just click on the extension. Click on the extension. Click and search the live server and it will open. You can install it. It will take some time to install and it will install. So it is installed in my system. Just close the window. And open a folder. For first time, there is no folder for open, so just for that create a new folder. Called it my first HTML file program. Click open folder. So it will open your folder which you have currently created. Just click to create a new file. Enter the name index.html. The name you put whatever you want. So I am name it as index.html. So there is an abbreviation for creating a HTML, press shift plus 1 and press enter. So it will create a document, HTML document. So let's try again. To understand better, just click shift plus 1 and press enter. Document of HTML. So first of all, we will understand the format. So first is the doc type. It tells the version of HTML, and then is the language. HTML tag is the root tag for HTML document, and the language of the web page. And this is the meta information which tells the device on which you are using the website. So initial scale decide, so the display size, and the title. Title is the whatever you see on the Explorer. I changed it to welcome. And writing in HTML code, it comes under the body which display on the web page. So first of all, we have to learn comments. So this is the format of HTML comments. Basically, comments are used to understand the code and to indicate whatever the coder is writing in the code to persuade someone who are not writing but understanding the code complexity. So it helps to understand the code complexity. So we understand the comments. First topic, whenever we think about the HTML document, the heading tags. So HTML have 6 standard HTML tags. So H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. So as well as number is increased, the size of the heading tag is decreased. So H1 is the maximum size and H6 is the minimum size of HTML heading. So we can see in the document. So this is the H1 is the largest heading. So sorry for the I am writing a smallest heading in the HTML, but it actually the largest size heading in HTML document. But you can change the size of the text by using the CSS. So we will understand CSS in detail in later on videos. So first understand the HTML headings. So this is the HTML headings H1 to H6. We can write whatever we want. It will display on the web page as it is text. If we place two space between the two characters, it will show only the one space because it not the preserve the case of text written in the heading tag. So this is the smallest H, and this is the smallest heading in the HTML document. These are the main 6 headings which is provided by the HTML. So next we will understand the next tag called paragraph tag. Basically, paragraph tag used to display the text paragraphs on the web page. So you can see here is the paragraph. So there is a option to generate a dummy text in Visual Studio Code. So you can write lorem. How many words you want, just type. I am typing 10, so press enter and it will generate automatically 10 word sentence, and you can say paragraph. And if you write lorem 20, it will automatically generate 20 words paragraph. So you can see it's a shorthand trick to generate the dummy text. It is very useful to creating a templates for the websites. So this is enough for this video. Mainly we learned in this video is HTML editors. Thanks for watching my video. Please like the video and subscribe my channel for getting my upcoming videos.